Hello friends, welcome to ASP.NET tutorial. In this sub-series, we are going to look at FormView Control and how to bind this FormView Control with the data source. First, let's get introduced to this FormView Control. In the last sub-series, we saw about the detail view control. The FormView control works the same way. That means whatever we did in previous sub-series for detail view, the same way we can bind the FormView control to the underlying data source and navigate between the records. This means the FormView control, like detail view, supports selection. That means you can select the records, then you can paging through the record, and then you can perform insert, update, and delete operations through the FormView control. FormView depends completely on templates. So detail view control, you no need to depend on template. It will by default provide a nice presentation of the data. But FormView completely depends on template, and the user can define their own control layout to map the DB fields. By default, it will provide view, but if you want to perform any insert, update, or delete operation, then you have to customize the template. Now, let's display the FormView control in the next video, and we will see how it is presenting the data. After that, we will try to insert and update data via the FormView control. That's all here in this video. There is no demo in here. Thank you for watching. Bye.